Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome as usual. And I'm out here super early morning, crack of dawn, because I was excited about this thing right here. And so this is a JRX 2 Losi. Scored this thing when I was out doing my little speed challenge for the Rolalo Buggy, and some guys saw me running it in the parking lot, and they told me they had an RC for sale. And get this, I came up on this thing for 10 bucks, y'all. For 10 bucks, the guy was trying to get rid of it. He didn't want it anymore for whatever reason. It was a brushed the motor in there. It had a bunch of old parts. It was 75.5 megahertz. And but it had transmitter and everything with it. They even gave me the charger for it and all in receipt. This thing was purchased in 1991. So amazing how old this thing is. And I just upgraded. I put brushless motor in here, 100 amp ESC from my Armour Typhon. It did come with oil filled shocks, so pretty decent score for 10 bucks. It also had little stickers in there and all, so I was able to hook up the front there. I just brought it out super early in the morning because I was excited to see this thing run. I added lights on it, and so I wanted it to be able to display the lights and everything, see how it looks. I'll lift up the hood to take the top off and let you guys see what's inside after the run. Got a little switch on the side there. Check it out, y'all. I got a turbo racing receiver in there. So booyah! I have a 22 tooth pinion in here. Oh! There's a plastic gear in here, so I might have to see about upgrading that. Man, it's kind of fast though, y'all. A little hard to keep traction out here with the ground being wet though. I imagine it would be whirling. And it sounds like if I take off too fast, it sounds like it's slipping a little. I think there's a slipper clutch back there. This thing looks awesome though. Check it out. I might have to upgrade the servo. Turns a little slow. It turns a little wide, seems like. Try to get a full throttle pass. And this thing is fast. I'm not going to run it so it dies or anything, because this will be a long video. So let me bring it in and show you guys what's under the hood on this thing. So this thing has pins right here to hold the body on. Body clips off. Trying to get under here, trying to do it with one hand, y'all. So this is what I have under here. So there's the 100 amp speed controller from the Typhon 3S. I upgraded my Typhon to 4S, so I have a 3S pack in here, 3,000 milliamp hour. I think this is an Ovionic pack there, 3S. And so this is the Turbo Racing 176 scale. It came with a receiver. A few of them I purchased off Amazon came with a receiver, and so I use those receivers in larger RC cars. And so that's what this is, and that's why I'm using the transmitter to my little MT from Turbo Racing. And it works pretty well. And so the oil filled shocks, I just put a longer spring in here. They had a short spring in here, so it wasn't really reaching the full travel, and so I added a longer string in here. I think I still need maybe a little more stronger spring in the front, but what I did to compensate was I drilled some more holes down here, a little further down, to give it more tension on the spring in the front, so the shocks are a little more sturdy in the front now. Has a little more resistance there. It was all the way to the floor when I first got it. And this is the stock servo right there. So this is the older version, not the Pro version. I think there's a JRX Pro version that came with ball bearings for these steering arms here. And so I have the older one. And so that's it. I made this thing my own little setup here in the chop shop. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the motor. So this motor came from my ZD Racing MT that I had. And so I might swap out that motor to something different. I really want to switch this gear out right here, this pinion gear, because it's plastic, and I want to go 4S. And so it's holding up right now on 3S so far, and it was an awesome little score. And the lights I put on it are here, really bright lights. I didn't realize that the lights were going to be that bright. I got those lights. Those lights are for my baby hawk. I have a light set up for my baby hawks that I never really put on there. I bought like 6 of them, so I have a bunch of these little lights here, different colors: red, blue, green. I don't think I have yellow, but anyhow, I got some new bodies for my baby hawks as well, and I'm planning on swapping the bodies and adding lights to those. But right now I use these lights in here, one of the pairs. And so pretty awesome. Don't forget to smash the like button to show your support, and let me know in the comments if you guys like this and what should I do. What you recommend that I do further to this thing. And if you have a link for the gear that I can buy for this, a metal upgraded gear, let me know in the comments also. And just let me know what you guys think about this. Thanks for watching.